Hello everyone. So today I'm very excited to tell you about one of the most crucial thing of the Figma tool to set up the files properly. So when you have created your first Figma file, it will be basically be shown something like this, an empty canvas, and there are some untitled file names, and there is page 1 and just empty layouts. So first you need to set up by changing the file name. So let's say it will be uh, for me Figma course. Okay, so whatever your project is, you can just rename it to, for example, if you have e-commerce, you are creating a e-commerce web app, so you can just write it over here, the e-commerce web app Figma file or something like that. Okay, so now let's change the page name. Basically, under a file you can have multiple pages and you need to rename it. So in case of the Figma, there are several pages. For example, your style guides, then design system, high fidelity wireframe, low fidelity wireframe, and also you can have another for the prototyping. So let's start changing the names. So let's start with the style guide. You can add page, so it will be design system for your design, basically the design items. So here you can have a low fidelity wireframe, another is for the high fidelity wireframe. Okay, the last one you can have it, or you can just use the prototype inside the high fidelity, but for now I'm just having it for like prototyping. Okay, so our page and the like the Figma file naming are like been set up for our files. So another interesting thing is that for your canvas you can basically add the ruler. So you already know ruler helps us in many ways to have a like proper distance, or to add any type of like anything regarding the sizes and everything. So for that you can just simply press the Ctrl and the R button at the okay, so it is Shift and R, my mistake. Press the Shift and R button, so you will be able to see a ruler on the top and on the left side of your canvas. You see it moves along with how you move the canvas, so it will be extremely helpful. So whenever you are doing some precision work, and you can also hide the ruler by just simply pressing the Shift and the R button, so the ruler is now hidden. So you can just utilize the things according to your need. Thank you everyone.